Are you looking for the best freestanding pull-up bars in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best freestanding pull-up bars that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Stamina Outdoor Fitness Power Tower. This freestanding pull-up bar comes with a simple structure. You can also use this dip stand for your home. Moreover, this simplified frame does not consume extra space in your living space. This power tower comes along with a stable steel structure. The paint-coated finish never lets the metal parts catch rust. You can also install this reinforced stand in your garden or other outdoor spaces. Furthermore, you can do chin-ups, sit-ups, and other exercises. This stand is perfect for performing vertical knee raises. The UV-resistant coating prevents chipping and fading. You can strengthen your abdominal and other group muscles. At number 4. ONEET Adjustable Height Pull-Up Station. The multi-grip dip station has a minimalist frame structure. Therefore, you can place this power tower almost everywhere. Moreover, the thickened steel frame construction offers ultimate rigidity. The pull-up bar can hold up to 300 lbs of weight. You can raise the height of the frame at 6 different levels. You can also raise the height from 73 to 93 inch. Furthermore, this power tower makes assembly and disassembly quick and easy. The square tube comes with a U-shaped frame base. Therefore, the slip-resistant feet never let the dip station wobble on any surface. This freestanding pull-up bar strengthens your core muscles. At number 3. Bangtong and Lee Workout Pull-Up and Dip Station. This freestanding pull-up bar has the construction of thickened steel. This power tower comes with a detachable back cushion. Therefore, you can perform exercises with no hassle. Moreover, this dip station comes with thick rubber grips. You can have a good grip over this dip station. The soft foam handles cause no bruises on your hands. You can also efficiently adjust the height of the power tower. You can also adjust the height from 76.4 to 85.3 inch. The square tube of this equipment holds up to 330 lbs of weight. Furthermore, this equipment lets you build shoulder, chest, back, and leg muscles. At number 2. ReLife Best Adjustable Power Tower. The square tube steel construction increases the stability of this dip station. The power tower also comes with assembling tools. Therefore, you can quickly assemble the parts of this equipment. Moreover, this freestanding pull-up bar makes a perfect addition to your home gym. The strong structure withstands the weight of up to 600 lbs. The humanized design of this dip station includes a padded back cushion. The 8-level height adjustment function also helps you to perform exercises flexibly. Furthermore, the skid-resistant rubber feet keep the power tower stable on different grounds. You can perform chin-ups, pull-ups, and other workouts. This dip station is ideal for your gym, home and office. At number 1. ReLife Rebuild Your Life Power Tower Workout Dip Station. This flexible dip station has a maximum weight limit of 330 lbs. The freestanding pull-up bars offer a good grip over the steel frame. Moreover, you can develop biceps and triceps. The power tower has suction cups at the bottom. Therefore, this stand allows you to adjust the flatness accordingly. This dip station is perfect for strengthening and muscle-building exercises. The lock nuts also reduce the vibration or chances of falling off. Therefore, the pull bar stays damage-free for years. Furthermore, you can conveniently customize the height from 58.8 to 89 inch. The backrest adjustment function also lets you adjust the range up to 9.6 inch. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.